Hey, everyone, welcome back to Over channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily insert a signature into a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're signing a contract, an agreement, or just making things official, this quick tutorial has got you covered. So, let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is open up Adobe Acrobat and the PDF file you want to sign. Once your file is open, head over to the Tools section, which is selected by default. From here, we're going to click on Fill and Sign. Now, you'll see the new window. This is where all the magic happens. To add a signature, click on the Add Signature. If you've signed documents before, your default signature might appear here. But don't worry, you can always delete it and start fresh. Click on Add Signature, and Adobe will give you a few different ways to create your signature. First up, you can type your name. Adobe lets you choose from a few different fonts, so you can pick the style that suits you best. Next, you can draw your signature. If you're using a mouse, just click and drag to write out your name. If you're on a tablet, you can use your finger or a stylus for this step. Finally, if you already have a signature image saved on your computer, just click Image and select the file. It's that easy. For now, I'm going to go ahead and type my signature. Once you're happy with it, click Apply. And if you want to save the signature for future use, make sure to check the box before you hit Apply. Now you can click anywhere in your document to insert the signature. I'll pick this spot and there it is. Your signature is now part of the PDF. You can also move your sign if you want, just click on it and move it where you want. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to insert a signature into a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Good.
Bye.